All right, so this is it right here. Time to give it a shot. Let's find out. I just got in from work, and when I got here, this is what I ran into. Egg Whites International. I got put onto this stuff from a training course, an online training course I did with the one and only John Anderson, Deep Water. He put me onto this right here, Egg Whites International. Told me to mention his name, and I get these a whole lot cheaper. Let me tell you something, I'm not gonna lie to you, this stuff is super dope. This stuff is mega dope. This stuff is ultra dope. This is pasteurized egg whites. You can whip this up and make egg whites, you know, like cooked egg whites, or you can drink it straight up, and it's not bad tasting at all. So now what I plan on doing is a little bit creative. I am going to combine Egg Whites International's pasteurized egg whites that you can drink, and I'm gonna put it in the blender, and I'm gonna make a protein shake with it using some egg white protein powder, which is pretty good. This is pretty good stuff right here. It has 20 grams of protein, there's BCAAs, branched chain amino acids, and kale friendly. I have the slightest idea what the hell they're talking about. Maybe they cracked the chicken's ass real nice and easy. And this is a vanilla flavor right here. This is very delicious stuff. I made a shake with this yesterday, and that was pretty cool. And it's from the company Now. And you can get this stuff right here, Now Sports. You can get this stuff right here at the Vitamin Shop. It was about 23 bucks or something like that. As you can see, it's 1.5 pounds, 680 grams. I don't know how many servings. Because me, I don't pay attention to that stuff. I just use this stuff. So I'm gonna combine this right here. Some egg white protein. I'm gonna mix that with 20 grams of this. But first, let me see something. How many grams of protein this stuff contains? Let's zoom in. 26 grams of protein per serving. So I'm gonna combine that and squeeze maybe 46 grams. And that's not counting the stuff that I'm gonna put in there, like bad at all. Buceta power. This right here is good for some buceta. You can knock out some buceta with a healthy piroca. You can knock some stuff out. Okay? Ya tú sabes.